Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, we use when we are sleeping. Correct. And number 2, my elbow is, yeah, that means painful. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is holding a pillow. Jennifer is holding a pillow. Pillow. A pillow is a soft thing we use to help us sleep. Now we can make a flashcard for pillow. Please write pillow up here in the top left corner. P-I-L-L-O-W. Down here, H-O-U-1. This means house, level 1. And over here the number 14 out of 20. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Pit, low, pillow. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob's shoulder is sore. Bob's shoulder is sore. Sore. It does not feel good. He is in pain. Now we can make a flashcard for sore. We have 2 words with the same pronunciation. To sore, S-O-A-R. Be sore, S-O-R-E. Please check your dictionary. Please make a flashcard like this. Be sore, S-O-R-E. Down here, A1 and 3. A1 means adjective, level 1. Over here the number 70 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Sore. Sore. Game over. You did very well today. Number 1, Bob uses a pillow when he sleeps. Correct. And my shoulder is very sore. S-O-R-E. This means painful. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, prescription. That's the paper the doctor gives you. And then you go to the pharmacy. Number 2, to be pure. This means no garbage is in there. And Jennifer will live in London permanently. This means forever. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.